So, you join me at Swarkestone outside on the Trent and Mersey Canal. So we've just been cruising the mystery boat along down from Stenson Lock. It's not a narrowboat, it's not a GRP cruiser. I'm going to be doing it on this, which is an ocean going sailing boat. Now, we moved the boat last night from Stenson Lock to Swarkestone, and we had some mechanical issues along the way. So what we found was that we thought the gearbox was actually gone because we had lost all our drive, but looking at our propeller, the split pin here is actually broken inside the in the bearing box. So obviously that should go all the way through and bolt onto, and not bolt on there, pin onto the shaft. So that's why we've lost all our drive. So we are actually going to be fabricating a temporary pin out of a tech screw. See how that works. So we've managed to get the drive to re-engage on the propeller on the shaft by placing a tech screw and sawing the head off and placing it in the part where the split pin goes. I mean, yes, in an ideal world you would have more tools and everything, but when you're in the middle of nowhere with limited resources, you've got to work with the best with what you've got. So we're actually moving. It seems as though our temporary repair has actually worked. So we're just heading up to Weston-on-Trent Lock. There should be about 3 or 4 locks in total for this journey. I will also be making another video about the design characteristics on this boat because it is very interesting. So we've just moved the boat to Shardlow now. This was a journey of about 6 miles and 3 locks. So very shortly what we will be doing is that we will be going to Cronfleet Cut, which is another 2 locks away, and we actually go onto the River Trent as well. Sorry about the varying quality in the camera because the camera battery has died, and I tried to use my phone to capture some bits and that had died also. But I'll try and document some more cruising videos as I get better at them, because this is the first sort of cruising vlog that I've actually done. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, where there will be more content on the way.